Hello there, you are watching The Pretty Fix. I am celebrity makeup artist Melissa Murdoch, here to teach you literally everything you want to know about makeup. If you are new here, please subscribe. I have been doing makeup for over 16 years. I work with Selena Gomez and a bunch of other people in Hollywood, so I am sharing a lot of pro knowledge that you are not going to find anywhere else. This tutorial is just quick and easy. 3 different ways to get glowy skin. This is just 3 different techniques to get the same results based on different products that you can use. This is especially beneficial for people who have dry skin because dry skin tends to look dull and lackluster. Also, glowy skin just looks really healthy and beautiful, so it's a great option for most people. Let's get into it. The first easy way to get glowy skin is to create a glow from within. The way to do that is mix a few drops of a liquid highlighter with your moisturizer and then apply that all over your face before you do your foundation. Putting on this layer and then doing your foundation or BB cream or whatever you would like over top makes it appear as though the glow is literally coming from beneath your skin because it is, because your natural skin tone has now been placed over top of this highlighter. This technique really only takes a few extra seconds and it can really alter the finish of your foundation. So if you have a more matte finish foundation, meaning that there's no sheen at all to it, using a highlighter mixed with moisturizer beneath it will bring a little more glow in. The second super easy way to get glowy skin is with some of the newer dewy face mists or setting sprays that are out there. And all you have to do is cover your eyes so that your eye makeup doesn't get ruined, and then do a mist on each side of the face. The sides of the face are where we want to see the majority of shine because any shine down the center of the face, if it's too much, can look a little bit greasy. You can give yourself a quick mist overall just so that you have a nice evenly dewy complexion, but if you notice that you get a little too shiny through your T-zone, it's better to just mist the 2 sides of your face instead. The third super easy way to get glowy skin is using a product that you already have at home, which is your moisturizer. So what you want to do is apply a little moisturizer into your palms, rub your hands together so that it's completely evenly distributed, and then start to press around the edges of the face and then through the center once you have a little less moisturizer on your hands. This will create an overall very gentle, dewy look. It's not going to be as extreme as using these very shimmery highlighters that you see on the market, but it will give you a nice radiant glow and it'll take away any powderiness that any of the other makeup products that you have used might have left behind. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you and gave you some tips that you might not have thought of before. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, definitely head over to my full site, theprettyfix.com, because I teach way more of my pro knowledge there. I've got online makeup classes, I give weekly makeup advice, and you have an opportunity to submit your own questions, which I will answer directly. So definitely check that out, and I hope to see you soon.